Hey, g'day, thanks for dropping in, and this is just a really quick video because I saw the recent update to Photoshop. We're on Photoshop 2021 now, has been released, and I've updated it. My initial thoughts are, oh my gosh, there's some stability issues with the graphics processor, so it's a little bit unstable, but I'm going to try and get through this video to have a look at a couple of features that have really interested me. The first one being sky replacement. I don't do a lot of sky replacements, but it's cool to be able to if you need to, and anything that makes it quicker and easier is going to be great. So we'll check it out and see how well it works and if it's any good. And the other thing I wanted to check out were the smart filters and the neural filters, the new neural filters. And there's things like skin smoothing and colorization and all that sort of stuff, which I'll look at later on. But today, just really quickly, I want to have a look at the neural filters. So let's have a quick crack at it and see what's going on. The first one here, I've got an image of a night scene in Wellington, and I want to try a sky replacement on this to see how it works. You simply go up to Edit, down to Sky Replacement, and then as soon as that opens up in a little dialogue, it's actually doing something here, spinning around. Let's see if it actually works. I think it has. The sky looks the same, maybe a little bit cleaner. Let's go and check out some skies here. So we've got options: blue skies, spectacular, and sunsets. Let's go for a sunset. I'm going to throw in, oh, there's nothing really. Let's go this one here. This one looks quite interesting. And straight away it's changed. Let's have a look at some of these edges. Wow, the street light doesn't look so great, but some of this other, wow, the edges look really good. Look at the scaffolding is still showing up. Perfect. Let's try some spectacular skies. Wow. What's this up here? Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Sky replacement. Awesome. Let's go to this one here. The sky's already quite dynamic, and there's layers here. There's sky, land, sea, and land. Once again, edit sky replacement. And it's going to start off with the spectacular image here. I can see we can adjust the temperature and the brightness of it. If we wanted to cool it down or hot it up, whatever you want to do, we can move it around. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, it's sort of blended in. Ah, cool. Okay, this one here I wanted to try because the contrast between the sky and the sea and the land is not necessarily quite as good as that last one. As you can see here, very tricky to see. So let's go, edit sky replacement, edit sky replacement. And once again, we've got this epic sky here. Let's see how it does. I suspect it'll go all the way down to that. Whoa, it has not. It has not. And we can put a rainbow there if we want to, which we do. Ah, that's amazing. That is awesome. Okay, we'll move on to this one. The reason I wanted to try this one, it looks pretty simple, but the moon's there. So I want to see if it keeps the moon. Surely not. Wow, we've got ourselves a rainbow and we've got a moon. I wonder if the moon will be in front of clouds. We don't want the moon in front of clouds. Moons don't go in front of clouds. Let's try one here with clouds. That moon goes in front of clouds. So, okay, it's not perfect. There's no way moons are in front of clouds. So it's not perfect, but it's not too bad. Let's jump to the neural filters now. Wow, that sky replacement is awesome. That is really, really cool. I do like that. I do like that. Now we're here in the neural filters. Here's a picture of yours truly, taken back in the day. Okay, so the neural filters are under filter, neural filters. Let's jump over here and have a look. And the one we're going to straight away is down here in the beta filters, smart portrait. I was quite interested in these ones. Have a look how they all work. So I'll switch on that module. And then, yeah, this is a pretty moody shot. Let's happy this person up a wee bit. Let's happy him up by 10, a quotient of 10. I don't even know what that means or what the metric is there, but nonetheless, we're going to be happier by 10. And it's just doing its thing. It says here, this filter processes image data in the cloud. So no doubt it's sending the image here, shooting it up to the cloud, crunching the pixels, and then going to fire it back. And let's see if this person's mood has increased by a happiness quotient of 10. Wow, look at this. Do you think that's a quotient happier of 10? I'm feeling a little bit uneasy about this person staring straight at me, so I'm going to move the gaze to the left, the head to the left. I'm going to thicken up that hair a bit and also add a little bit of anger because all this twisting about the head in the photograph is not really made me too excited. So we're looking for everything to turn to the left, the gaze, the head, or the right. I'm really not too sure, but we're going to see what the effect has here. Yep. Okay, good. Yeah, why don't you look somewhere else, pal? turn off the gaze, -24. Presumably the eyes is gonna flick back here in just a small second. Okay, and then we're gonna change from anger to happiness. Let's go real happy here. We're gonna go 50 happy. Okay, so this is quite exciting. I mean, would you use it so much? Probably not. It doesn't really look like me. I mean, maybe if someone was in a photo and they weren't smiling or something like that, you could... Oh my goodness. Can you look at that? What a dish. That is one handsome chap. I don't think I've ever been that happy. Not that I can remember. Whose teeth are those? They're not my teeth. There was no teeth in the original picture, but there's teeth there. We need to unhap. That's better. I'm never that happy. Okay, we're going to shift the eyes right to the right. So we're looking, steering into the light here. This will be the last one. We'll just see how this goes. Yeah, this is not so practical. No wonder it's called beta. And down here, are you satisfied with the results? I guess Adobe after some feedback on this. Wow. Wow, I guess you could have some fun with it. And there's more here too. Makeup transfer. You can take makeup from one photo and put it on another. Depth aware haze, environmental haze. Wow, I might use that. Colorize. I'll look at these at a later time. But those were the two I wanted to look at for today. Was simply the sky replacements. They were all amazing as far as I could tell. And then the neural filters. So that's it. Have a good day. Cheers for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.